Without the use of a calculator, evaluate 13 to the power 0 plus 13 to the power 1 plus 13 to the power 2 plus 13 to the power 3. 13 to the power 0, 13 to the power 1, 13 to the power 2, and 13 to the power 3. They are the terms of a sequence, and in this case the sequence is a geometric progression. R is simply equal to, we are going to divide 13 to the power 1 by 13 to the power 0, and this should be equal to 13 to the power 2 divided by 13 to the power 1, which is equal to 13 to the power 3 divided by 13 to the power 2. And this will simply be equal to, by applying this rule of simplifying numbers in index form having the same base, e to the power m divided by e to the power n is simply equal to e to the power m minus n. So applying this rule here gives us 13 to the power 1, and 13 to the power 1 is simply equal to 13. Also, the number 13 to the power 0 is equal to 1. That means our first term is equal to 1. We're going to state it by the side. E is equal to 1. Knowing all this, it is very easy for us to find the sum of this sequence, which is this. The sum of the sequence, we know the sum of a geometric progression, Sn, is simply equal to the first term times the common ratio raised to the power n minus 1. We divide by common ratio minus 1. It simply means 13 to the power 0 plus 13 to the power 1 plus 13 to the power 2 plus 13 to the power 3 is equal to S. We count 1, 2, 3, 4. S4. S4 is simply equal to the first term E, which is 1, times the common ratio, which is 13. We are summing 1, 2, 3, 4 terms, 13 raised to the power 4 minus 1. We are to divide by 13 minus 1. This will simply give us 13 to the power 4 minus 1 all over 13 minus 1 gives us 12. Next, we have to simplify 13 to the power 4 minus 1. 13 to the power 4 minus 1. We can express this as 13 squared, all this squared, minus 1 can be expressed as 1 squared. This is the difference of two squares. With factorization, 13 squared minus 1 times 13 squared plus 1. 13 squared minus 1 is still a difference of two squares. We can express this as 13 minus 1 times 13 plus 1 times 13 squared plus 1. This will simply be equal to 13 minus 1 gives us 12 times 13 plus 1 gives us 14 times 13 squared plus 1, which is 13 squared gives us 169 plus 1. We are going to insert them here. This will simply give us 13 to the power 0 plus 13 to the power 1 plus 13 to the power 2 plus 13 to the power 3 to be equal to 12 times 14 times 169 plus 1 gives us 170. Then we divide by 12. 12, we strike off 12. We'll be left with 14 times 170. 14 times 170, we can express 14 as 10 plus 4 times 170, we can express it as 100 plus 70. Next, we are going to apply the distributive property. This will simply be equal to 10 times 100 gives us 1000 plus 10 times 70 gives us 700 plus 4 times 100 gives us 400 plus 4 times 70 gives us 280. We get to add 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. Let's do the addition by the side. 1000 plus 700 plus 400 plus 280. We add 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 gives 0. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 8 gives 8. 0 plus 7 remains 7. 7 plus 4 gives 11. 11 plus 2 gives 13. We write 3, we carry 1. 1 plus nothing remains 1, plus 1 we carry gives us 2. So this will simply be equal to 2380. Therefore, 13 to the power 0 plus 13 to the power 1 plus 13 to the power 2 plus 13 to the power 3 without the use of a calculator is equal to 2380. Please, if you like the video, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.